What's up, guys? It's Cory Talaska here. We're back here for another video. I wanted to take, I got a bunch of footage from OSW Black Friday because it was a super fun event. It was only me and one other person though, so I didn't get to do a bunch of crazy stuff, but I did toss the camera in someone else's hands. They filmed a bunch of clips of me running with a bunch of people, mostly people I didn't even know, but it was such a blast event overall. Going there, you know, meeting up with some people that I knew before, getting to drift with some Pro 2 guys, and then just drifting with a bunch of people who I just met at that event. It was just a really good time, and I want to go back down to OSW again because the track was really fun. I mean, even though it was just a skid pad, it was super like nice on tires. There was nothing. It was just a really fun event overall, with how long it was, with like the 3-day event. It was just really chill. There was no like rushing to get on the track at any point in time. So I really enjoyed it. I did record a bunch of stuff with my 360 GoPro, the Fusion, and I've been like for the last like 4 hours of me trying to mess with the footage. I'm having a problem with it importing, so I will try to get like that out at some point in time because the footage is really cool. I mounted it on my car right here, so when you like initiated by the wall, you could see how close we got here, and it was just it looked really sick. I mean, I can view all the footage, but I couldn't put it in this video. So this video is just raw footage of just the clips off of the camera that I'm recording with right now. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Within the midst of this, I did throw the 2 clips of Taylor Ray driving my car. I'll put like a little note in the thing. So he just went in there and thrashed. It was really cool. I'll put a link in his review video of my car in the description as well, just in case you guys want to go check that out. And a lot of you guys came here from that video, so thank you and welcome. You want to kind of jump in before you guys see all this stuff is what the kind of a plan for this car is. So right now the S52 is in here and it has valve train noise, super exciting. It does not run properly right now. I basically limped it into the trailer at OSW, so that's kind of a bummer, but my plan is to put a 2J in this. 2J in this, I have almost everything to do it, so that's the plan for that. The body-wise, the rear felony forms are gonna get replaced with big Duck Club fenders. The full back half, so we're gonna try to back half the car, do that, possibly do a fuel cell, replace these end plates with the gnarly Big Country Lab ones. Thank you to those guys for sending me out a pair of those sick things, which they're way sharp. Like these are ABS, like I've definitely hit my head on this, but the other ones are aluminum and thinner and sharper. It's definitely gnarly, but we are gonna keep the same livery style. I'm gonna move some stuff around maybe a little bit. Obviously same wheels. I do have to get these mounted up as my spare fronts, and yeah, I'm gonna do like a new lip on the front bumper so it looks a little bit lower, and then I'd really like to do the same thing in the back to kind of continue the whole look of the side skirt. So that's kind of like a rough plan just thrown at the car. 2J, back half the car, fuel cell, and this thing will be ready. So check out all the clips following this of OSW and enjoy. sticking through the whole video. I'm really hyped that you guys hopefully enjoyed the driving. I really would have liked to do some in-car stuff, which I did have with the GoPro, but it didn't cooperate the way I wanted it to. So I'm gonna try to do a different camera setup for next time I'm driving. And then, but don't worry, we're gonna do lots of stuff on this car over winter, and then we're also gonna do a lot of stuff on an E46. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So like, comment, subscribe, share with your homies. Peace.